All right, what's up, guys? Welcome to Ponderize. This week we're going to go over a talk called Steady in the Storms by President Eyring. Before we get started, feel free to grab something to take notes with and get ready to learn by the Spirit. These questions will help you in your personal study, but they're also great for family councils, relief societies, elders quorums, and even just with friends. So I hope you're able to get something out of this. Let's get started. Okay, so this talk is going to go over a lot of imagery that has to do with being steady during the storms of life. So we're going to go over some of the symbolism here. First, imagine that you're standing on a rock in the ocean during a dark storm. Lots of waves, wind, dark clouds, all that. I mean, hopefully you're never in this spot, right? But what does the storm symbolize? What does the rock symbolize? Okay, the quote says, "My hope is that I might help you stand steady in the storms we face with a peaceful heart." What does it mean to stand steady during the storms of life? How can we achieve peace during the storms of life? Can you think of a time that you stood steady and at peace during a storm of life? What does the gulf of water represent? Or the ocean? It might help you to think about what happens if you fall off the rock into the water, Why is that bad? It has never been more important than it is now to understand how to build on that sure foundation. How do you build a sure foundation? We must become as a child, a little child. For some, that will not be easy to accept. Most of us want to be strong. To be like a child is not to be childish. The question is, why should we be like children? In what way should we be like them? I have learned from many experiences that the Holy Ghost speaks most often in a quiet voice, heard most easily when one's heart is meek and submissive, like that of a child. In fact, the prayer that works is, "I want only what you want. Just tell me what that is. I'll do it." What do you learn from this section? Why are storms of life important? How have they been important to you? Thank you for following along with that video. I hope you were able to learn a lot through the Spirit. Please subscribe. If you hope to find more helpful questions here next year, we need subscriptions, and you do make a difference. Thank you.